Hey everyone, today I'm showing you how to make real Uzbek Plov, that famous aromatic rice pilaf that's the pride of Central Asia. Trust me, it's easier than you think, and your kitchen is going to smell amazing. First, let's talk ingredients. 500 grams of beef or lamb, cut into bite-sized cubes, 2 cups of long-grain rice, rinsed till the water's clear, 2 large carrots, julienne, 1 big onion, sliced, a whole bulb of garlic, 1 tablespoon cumin seeds, some vegetable oil, salt and pepper to taste, and if you want, a handful of chickpeas for that authentic touch. Ready? Let's go. Step 1. Heat a generous splash of oil in a heavy pot. Think Dutch oven or a deep pan. When it's hot, toss in your meat. Sear it on all sides for that beautiful brown color. Now add your sliced onions. Cook until they're soft and golden. Next, in go the carrots. Stir them well and let them soften for a few minutes. Season with salt, pepper, and those fragrant cumin seeds. Give everything a good mix. Now this is where Plov gets its magic. Pour enough hot water to just cover the meat and veggies. If you're adding chickpeas, now's the time. Let it simmer on low heat for about 30 minutes so all those flavors meld together. All right, time for the rice. Spread the rinsed rice evenly over the stew. Don't stir. Gently pour in more hot water until the rice is just covered by about an inch. Nestle your whole garlic bulb, unpeeled, right in the center. Bring it all to a gentle boil, then lower the heat. Cover and cook for 20-25 minutes, until the rice is tender and all the water's absorbed. Don't peek too much, let the steam work its magic. When it's done, turn off the heat and let it rest, covered, for another 10 minutes. Now, carefully fluff the rice, mixing it all together, and reveal that soft, fragrant garlic. Your Plov is ready. Serve it up family style and watch it disappear. I promise one bite and you'll see why this dish is legendary. Like this video, subscribe for more easy classics, and share it with your foodie friends. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking.